In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix we've sent the code to the Telegram app on your other device. So if you're trying to log into your account and if you're seeing this kind of message and you do not have access to other device, there are few things that you can do in order to fix this problem. The first thing that you can do is simply request a different method. For that, open the Telegram application. Right now, I'm not having that kind of problem, but I'll tell you what to do. So on your current device, what you have to do is look for an option to send SMS instead. After you do that, tap on it in order to receive the code via the text message. If you do not see the option for send SMS instead, what you have to do is look for an option to receive the code via a phone call. After you do that, you'll be able to receive the code and you can log in to your account. But if you're not being able to see any of these options, what you can do is simply try another method. This method will only work if you're logged into Telegram account in any other trusted device other than the device that you're receiving the code on. So what you have to do is simply open that trusted device. Now on the Telegram application, what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option settings that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for devices. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the devices interface. Now over here, you'll be able to see all the other active sessions over here. What you have to do is simply tap on this option, terminate all other active sessions. Now once you do that, this kind of pop-up will appear. Now tap on this option, terminate, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, all the active sessions must be terminated, including the device that you should be receiving the code on. Now once you do that, you should be able to find the options for send SMS instead, or you should also be able to find the option for receive the code via phone call. So like this, you'll be able to receive the code via the text message or phone call and you'll be able to log in to your account. If this method also does not work, what you can do is simply reinstall the Telegram app on your device. On the device that you're trying to log into your account, what you have to do is uninstall the Telegram app. For that, what you have to do is launch open app library on your device. Find the application for Telegram and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now in the app info interface, what you have to do is tap on this option uninstall that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, Telegram will be uninstalled. Now reinstall the Telegram app on your current device using the Play Store or App Store. After you do that, you will be able to choose to receive the code via SMS or a voice call instead, and you'll not be able to see the message that they've sent the code to the Telegram app on your other device. So like this, you'll be able to solve your problem. So these are the things that you can do in order to fix your problem. So that is how you fix we've sent the code to the Telegram app on your other device. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.